Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix AirPod delay on TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to fix the issue that you're having, the first thing that you need to do is open up the App Store, and on the search bar simply type in TikTok and then tap on the app and check to see if the app is up to date or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating to the latest version will fix the issue. Once you have done that, if the issue is still there, then what you can do is just head over to your settings app and now tap on general, and here tap on iPhone storage, and once it loads, tap on TikTok and then tap on offload app and then tap on offload app to begin the process. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the glitches and bugs that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. So once the process is complete, instead of this offload app, you will have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do is close the app and then try again. And once you do that, your issue should be fixed, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.